Be sure to clean the control unit between therapy sessions. Power off the control unit and unplug from the power source. Disconnect the patient circuit from the control unit. Place the therapy port cap over the therapy port and disconnect any accessories attached to the control unit. Thoroughly wipe down the control unit with a soft cotton cleaning pad that is moistened with a compatible cleaner or with compatible disinfectant wipes. Refer to the user manual for cleaning product compatibility. Do not spray cleaners directly onto the control unit. To clean the circuit, disconnect all components from each other. Wash components, except for the smart filter and nebulizer line, with warm, soapy water, then rinse the components with clean water. Be careful not to get the smart filter wet when cleaning the other components. Let the components dry completely before reassembling.